What's up, YouTube? Today I am going to give you some tips and some tricks as to how to gain YouTube subscribers. Now, on the contrary, I am a small YouTube right now. However, quite a few years ago, I did have a rather successful YouTube channel where I had about, I want to say, 68,000 subscribers before I shut that channel down because I had a business going and a family, and I wanted to kind of condense my issues. But it's neither here nor there. I'm new now and I'm starting over, and I actually wanted to show some tips and tricks. So continue to watch, click that subscribe button down there and ring that notification bell in case I decide to do another video like this. These are going to be some helpful tips. I'm not going to take a lot of your time. I'm just going to kind of blurb them out, and if worthy, maybe, just maybe, you would be interested in me continuing maybe a series of these. So let's get into the video because I'm going to give 10 straight tips, and also I'm going to show you live on my YouTube so that you can see what you can do to make this happen. Okay? Now, if you see me looking down, it's because I have my notes here. I put everything that I want to do, I want to know, that I want to conquer into my YouTube notebook. So this is what I have for you. The first thing I would say is start making videos. I notice a lot of people who are requesting videos are kind of not making videos, haven't made videos in 3 months or 2 months or 4 months. Start making videos on a regular, okay? Number 2 would be decide on your niche, okay? Decide on your niche and stick to it. If you are a musician, make music. The same way if you are a vlogger, make quality vlogs. Does anyone want to see you at your auntie's birthday party or your great-grandmother's birthday party where she's falling asleep in the soup? Does anyone really want to see that? If you're doing something fun and exciting in that video, maybe I'll watch, but I don't want to see grandma falling asleep in her soup. I'm just saying most people don't. Number 3 would be let everyone know when you post a video. Always say, I post weekly, or I post twice a week, every other week. Let us know so we know when we can find you, when you're going to come out with something new. Give us something to look forward to instead of making one 6 months ago and then today you're asking me to subscribe to your channel, but you're not putting in any work. I promise you, YouTube is looking at you suspect the same way I am. Okay, number 4, I've said this already. Stay consistent. If you're posting videos, continue to post videos. That will bring me back to your channel. So it makes sense for you to go ahead and post those videos, okay? Number 5 would be start thinking about branding. Branding could be anything. Branding could be something as simple as a t-shirt or you drinking out of a coffee mug with your logo or something that reminds them of you on it. That's branding. Or the way you say hello or goodbye. It could be your catchphrase. For instance, I actually say at the end of my videos, in the meantime, I'll see you in between time. Bye. I always say that. Or, what's up, YouTube? I say that every time. So that could be a part of your style. If you look at the people who are in your niche, look at them, learn from them, study them, and they will give you an idea as to what their branding looks like and why people continuously come back. Number 6 would be share your YouTube videos on other platforms. We have YouTube, we have Twitter, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, Snapchat. Start putting it up. Follow me now. I also take my YouTube video and I share it. I share it to everybody on my Facebook instant messenger. If they don't want to see it, sorry. Next would be what I would call the 3 T's. That would be number 7. That is your title. The greatest title will get you more attention. Tags. Make sure you tag your videos. Look up keywords in Google search. And there's actual Google search that will help you with keywords. So make sure you get that on there. The last thing is your thumbnail. If you have a great thumbnail, take several pictures and put it together to make it make sense. Number 8 is rather interesting. Make a video list. What that means is make a list of several ideas that you can choose from at any day to make videos about. I would say you would need a list of maybe 10, 20 videos so that you can be consistent and you're always on point. Great tip, I think. This is always a fun one. I call it piggybacking. So what that means is find a person that's in your niche, look at several of them, and see what they're talking about. Check out how many views they have in what amount of time. Once you know that, it is so amazingly easy for you to create a video and kind of walk in their footsteps. It's called piggybacking. It works. Trust me. Now, if you're following the new subscribers, subscribe here and support views and all those type of videos, here's a great tip. Make sure you add your niche in the comments. When you add your niche in a comment, it allows other people like-minded to follow you. When you have this in common or something in common or something other people want to see or learn about, it'll make them subscribe and stay. I would also say it's as simple as going in their comments and say, "Hi, I love your video. You did an amazing job. New subscriber here. Check my channel." When you do that, you allow them to know, one, you did subscribe. Two, you gave them a few minutes so that they can earn from that, as well as the opportunity to share or subscribe back. Now, down here in my comments, go ahead. Let them know what's your goal so that they might be able to help you get to it. Also, tell them to subscribe so you can subscribe back. It's that simple. And add your niche. This is what I like to do. This is what my channel's about. That way, if you have something in common, most likely they'll be more involved. I think so. So, here's a couple of tips real quick before I show you my YouTube. One thing that I do is I turn on my TV, which is up here actually, and all day long, I rotate my videos. I wait about 6 hours and I do it again. So I always have a view list and I just let it play. I wait 6 hours, maybe when I'm sleeping, and then I let it play again. I do that as well to my cell phone and everybody's cell phone in the house. Now, I turn it off my Wi-Fi because YouTube can see your Wi-Fi and it gives it an ID number. But your cell phone has an ID number that is separate. Maybe you just like Precious Kisses and you watch her a million times a day. Maybe it's a song and you want to hear it every morning. YouTube cannot see why you're watching it if you're not watching it from a Wi-Fi. So go to McDonald's, go to the library, connect to their Wi-Fi, give it a different IP address, and then you can watch it more. I also have my friends and family do it as well as if you have different email addresses, log on to YouTube with a different email address, different name, and you can also continue to watch your videos and get multiple views. Trust me, I've done it and I'm still doing it, and I continue to get views and watch time. So there are multiple ways to get this done. Now, let me give you one more tip. For my last tip, we're going to call it networking because that's what a friend of mine's called it. What she does is in her search engine, she actually types in her niche. She looks up people who do what she does, and then she changes the filter to show the most recent videos. She finds small YouTubers like herself and she connects with them. When doing that, it gives you more and more people to reach out to that are in your niche that can help you, that will subscribe back because you're doing the same thing. And I want to give a quick shout out to Curly Tails. She is an influencer. She has an amazing personality, and go and support her. Now let's get into bigger and better things. Here is my YouTube channel, and let me tell you how different numbers affect you. Okay, so let me tell you what you're looking at here. I'm showing you that this is my live page. That's me circling over my thumbnail of my face. Right here is actually where you can see recent subscribers. My computer actually shows me my recent subscribers is right on your dashboard. And it gives me a whole list of the last people who subscribed in the last 28 days. So that's important because I always keep a list of who subscribed and unsubscribed. Now I'm going into another system that I had added to my computer. And again, I'm showing you that this is my channel analysis. And I'm showing you the videos that I made, the views that I've gotten, where I am now, and my real-time activity, which is kind of low right now. And it's in the 500s, 502. You see one of my videos is making big way, and that is the last video that I posted. So let me tell you why that's significant, okay? What it is in the last little while, my last video is getting traction, whereas the others are falling short. Right here's another list of the top 5. You can tell they gradually go down. Now, here's my channel audit. For views, I have 140% more views this month than I did last month. 122% more subscribers gained, and 91% more watch time. The time frame is over a 30-day period. So I literally, all those pluses mean I gain more. Now let me show you why that's significant. The distance between one video to the other right there that I'm pointing at, do you see that huge dip? When I don't make videos, I dip. You'll see the double videos that I'm pointing to right there. You see it started to go up again. But then I stopped making videos and it dipped back down. And now it's kind of evening out. When you don't make videos, your views drop off. Now, if you look over here, I have plus 95% in the last, again, this is 28 days, not 30 days, but 28 days. It's telling me that I have 195% more videos within the last 28 days than I did in the previous 28 days. Let's see why that is. Right here, I'm showing you, again, this is me. It's a live video, okay? I didn't want to just screen it because I didn't want anybody to think that it was fake. You see it's gradually going up when I make multiple videos back to back. I typically go up when I'm making them back to back like this. You see it goes very far up. I go into like the 800s-900s, and then you see that opening right there. That's a space where I was not making videos, and it dipped right there. And then I made one more. It kind of kept it up there, but then I lost a lot of traction. So this is telling you the more videos you make, the more consistent you are, the better you will do with your videos, the better you will do with your views, the better you will do with your minutes. And it's just really that simple. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and end my video and tell you simply that it's in the middle of the night, and in the meantime, I will see you in between time. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and let's continue to support each other. Bye.